This is a $700 Dyson, which is 10 years old. It's had a few problems, but it was recently had new belts put on it. This is a hoover which I bought at the auction last night for $12. That is diatomaceous earth on a low carpet. We're going to see which cleans it up better. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the Dyson on the bare floor setting, which is the lowest it has. I have the hoover actually has 3 carpet settings. The Dyson only has 1 carpet setting and then 1 bare floor setting. I put the hoover on the lowest, I'm going to put the hoover on the lowest carpet setting. And then we're going to go ahead and try. Now we'll start with the Dyson. As you can see, the Dyson does nothing to pick up the powder at all. Nothing. I change it to carpet. Now on carpet. It still does nothing to pick up the powder at all. Now, this is the hoover on the lowest carpet setting. Based on that, I can tell you I'll be using the hoover around the house.